the third part. The is definite article. A and an already learnt. Indefinite article. The is used for definite sentence, for definite place. The flowers of my garden is beautiful. Garden, my garden, it is definite. So the flowers of my garden is beautiful. The flowers of my garden. So it is a definite sentence. The will come. The is used before superlative degree of adjective, just like good, better, best, the best boy. Okay. Then you can say beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. His dress is the most beautiful one. Ravi is the best boy in the class. Ravi is the best boy in the class. The is used for universal truth. Just like the earth, the sun, all these are unique. And we all know about the earth revolves around the sun. The stars are bright. The is also used before the names of rivers, just like Ganga, just like Pacific Ocean, just like sea, Arabian Sea, mountains, Kanchenjunga, holy books like Gita, Ramayana, Bible, Quran, directions, east, west, north, south, before the name of the newspaper like the Telegraph, the Hindu. So in this way, the Quran, some examples are there. The Quran is the holy book of Muslims. The Ramayana is the holy book of Hindus. The Bible is the holy book of Christians. The Ganga is the river of India. You can say which is the longest, which is the longest river, the longest, which is the highest mountain, the highest. Then the Himalayas are the highest mountain in the world. I am giving you some more sentences. The earth moves around the sun. The stars are bright. The Ramayana is the holy book of the Hindus. The Himalayas lie to the north of India. So in this way we can use the. Suppose if I start story, then how will you you have to find out the article and you will do it. That is your task. One day an old man came near to a beautiful small park. He saw there a small boy was sitting near the pond. Suddenly, the old grandfather saw the boy's legs slipped and he fell into the pond. He dived into the pond and saved the life of the child. So in this way we have learnt that all the article I have used in the story, and you will write the story and moral also, that where there is will, there is way. Complete this, and in this way you can frame your own story using article.